There's a fresh pour of alkaline. Wow, it smells good in here. What's that smell?
Coconut wipes.
Coconut wipes? What are you doing?
Cleaning the counters with video.
Ooh, video? What kind?
The alkaline video.
Ooh, nice. Hey, what's up guys? This is Chris and Måëylå. And what do we get today, Måëylå?
We got
an alkaline water machine.
Alkaline water machine.
And who saw it? Who picked it up from the front?
I did.
Okay, thank you for bringing it in. So right now, what are we gonna do?
By myself.
Yeah, what are we gonna do with the box? We're gonna
open it.
So we're unboxing our AlkaCT machine.
AlkaCT machine.
All right, thank you. 1, 2. Now see it.
This is how we used to drink water.
This is how we used to drink water.
This is how we used to drink water.
This is how we used to drink water. And 3, 2, 1, and action.
This is how we used to drink water.
This is how we used to drink water. Right. Måëylå's gonna
open it
with her scissors.
My favorite scissors.
Your favorite ones. Is it on?
Yeah.
All right. So now, Daddy got his knife. Okay. And I'm gonna cut the sides real quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut the sides. Daddy's gonna cut the sides. Daddy's gonna cut the sides.
And then the top.
Cut the sides. And then the top. Okay, this is how we are unpackaging our things. Well, I'm gonna pop these things.
It's a good idea.
I'm gonna pop one of them. Hold on.
That's a lot.
They're all popping.
Hey, save it for later.
Okay, I'll save some. There.
Okay. I wanna. What does that look like right there?
Our flag.
Where do we live?
America.
That's right. So this was made in America.
This is made in America. I don't know.
Here, Daddy's gonna help with this part.
This is how we're drinking water now.
This is how we're drinking water now.
It opens right there.
Okay, it's gotta be flat, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, we finally got this box open,
I
kinda.
got this box open.
Now we've got the box open. Definitely a little bit more challenging. Should have used my box.
Now
cover.
we got the box open.
Okay, we're gonna open it real slow, pull it out. So what are we gonna do with that?
We're gonna
What is it? What do you have in your hands?
construction.
Constructions or instructions? Yeah, but can I see the picture of it? Can you show? Cool. All right, and then what do we have here?
We have the big box. There's a tube. Okay.
All right.
All right. We're gonna do it now.
So we're actually going to be reading the instructions
We're actually gonna be reading the instructions.
and the owner's manual.
No,
And the owner's manual.
the instructions
And the owner's manual.
and the owner's manual.
And it shows us how to install this with our sink.
And it shows us how to install this with our sink.
And how to make sure we take good care of this so it lasts
And how to make sure we take good care of this so it can last.
a lifetime. All right, so First up, we're gonna inspect everything. Okay.
First up, we're gonna inspect everything.
Okay, take a look at it.
Okay.
Check
Take a
the
look
top.
at it.
What's that?
Check the top. America.
America. That's right.
America sign. I think.
Okay. Does it look good over there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Go ahead and pull that part out too. Keep it on the side of there, okay? All right, so this filter actually has two filter housings.
Actually has two filter housings.
One,
One, two.
and those are inside of the cover. So everything is made in the USA, in America.
Everything is made in the USA.
So that includes the plastic housing, that includes any metal components, and any hoses. It's all made in the USA.
It's all made in the USA.
And it all has a lifetime warranty.
And it all has a lifetime warranty.
Perfect. Alright. So this is actually going to connect to the bottom
This
of
is
the
gonna
hose.
connect to the bottom of the hose. Okay. Put that on there. Put that on there. That's gonna be
Now
on
we
there.
want to make sure it's nice and dry. I just clean it.
Yeah, this is
Okay. What's up, guys? I have just got the AlkaCT, and so this has a two-stage filtration process where it filters out all the impurities in the water, and then the second stage of the process is adding alkaline water minerals to make the water alkaline. So that runs all the way through here, comes out here, and yeah, it didn't take me long to set up. Once I got the old rusted piece out from under here, I had to get the right tool to pull it out, and then once it was loose, I cleaned it up, and then I put the adapter on, and it fit pretty well. I'm gonna get some tape to get the seal watertight, but yeah, we tested it out. We had our first glass, and we poured our first 5-gallon jug that's going to our office. And yeah, here's a fresh pour right now. So right now, I'm gonna pull it to cold. Okay, it's running down. So the water is going to be running through the bottom of the faucet. This is for doing dishes, etc. I don't believe this is any extra filtration. It's just an aerator down here. Comes through, and then once I put the diverter up, it's going to run through here, through the filtration process, and then through this spout. Okay. It always wants to be, you want to have it located over a sink so that catch any spillover. But now I got this in black. This is all made in the USA. This machine comes with a lifetime warranty on all of the parts, as long as you keep up with the yearly service. All right. There's a fresh pour of alkaline.